Now I'm going to repeat myself again and add a few more details. So more is better, and so is independence. Studies have shown that the quantity of the work, maybe creating 3 paintings instead of 1, for example, leads to greater skill and quality of work. Individuals who keep doing creative work are those who succeed in giving feedback to themselves. So that means that they learn to relax, they learn to play, they learn to juggle ideas, and they make their own decisions when they're creating their artwork. This should be a goal as a teacher so that your students can learn to be independent once they've learned the techniques. This is an important step in developing artists. You need to be independent and make your own decisions. This is studies have shown this over and over again. Here's your task. Think about your own artwork. Where do your ideas originate? Where in your background did you pick up your own particular interests? This is a good exercise for you, and then have your students do it. And it helps them to also realize how different they are and how it's okay to be different. So do this task, and we'll see you in the next section.